Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to do a reset on a FitBit Charge 3. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so you've got one of these devices, the new FitBit Charge 3, and if you're trying to set it up and you're having problems or your device seems to not be responding, then you need to reset it. Now you're probably wondering, there's no buttons on here, so how do you do it? So keep watching and I'll show you how to do it. Now at the moment I've got an issue where it's not connecting to the device and it's showing that it is not working. It doesn't think it's actually turned on, and if I disconnect and put it back on, it does actually show that it's got 98% battery and everything's on and working, or at least it should be, but it's not communicating with my phone, so that's something we're going to have to address. But what I'm going to try and do first of all is to do a reset on the device to see if that helps the connectivity issues. Now the way to do this is to make sure you've got your charging cable and the clamp, and plug it into a device, either a USB port on a laptop or a USB plug, anything which will provide it power, and put it into charging mode. So when it's in charging mode, on the side you'll see on one side of the clasp there is a sort of a hole, and there is the indentation of where the touch sensitive button is. So what you need to do is hold that down for about 8 seconds or so, or just hold it down until you see the smiley face appear on the device. Now depending on your fingers you may have to hold it in a certain way to make this happen, but just keep on pressing and hold it until you get the smiley face come on, and that will perform a reset. Like I said, you may have to do it once or twice because it is quite a narrow gap, but just keep pressing it until you get the smiley face come up. And there we go, there's the smiley face eventually. So now it's going to shut down all the services, then re-enable everything, the Bluetooth, etc, etc, and then hopefully you should be able to connect to it from your device. So that's been a quick and easy way of how to reset the FitBit Charge 3. Hope it's been useful to you. If it has, give me a thumbs up. If it hasn't, give me a thumbs down, but let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see. If you're actually looking for a full factory reset for these devices, it seems at the moment, as of the launch date, which today is the 9th of October, there isn't actually a method of doing a factory reset on these devices. All you can do is similar to my description in the Charge 2 video, which you can link to up here, where basically you remove the account from your Fitbit device or attach it to a dummy account to erase data. But other than that, all we can do at the moment is do the standard reset procedure. So hopefully this has been useful. If it has, like I say, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. Any comments or questions, put them in the section below. But in the meantime, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and we will catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.